Yeah. Now, professors, I would like to share my own experience. Yeah. For example, when I am conducting online classes, okay, even we will have 200 people, 300 people on the call, okay, but sometimes the crowd may not be responding. So we will, as professors mentioned, we will call them by name. Okay, we will call them by name. That is one strategy. We will ask them to switch on the camera and share the screen. Yeah, I use this strategy. For example, since it is a programming course, I'll ask them to share the screen. I'll tell, share your screen now. Like that, I will tell the participants, okay. So I'll specifically say, for example, assume that I'm calling, yes, Pushpalada, professor, please share your screen. Like that, I will ask them to share the screen so that we can see whether they are listening to us or whether they are doing something else like that. Okay, so this will help us to have a control. This will definitely help us to have a control. Apart from this, we use various other tools. Okay, we are using various other tools. I'll be listing the tools in the chat window, and I'm going to right now demonstrate it for you. The tool, first tool which I want to introduce is something called, this is an online quiz, interactive quiz forum. I have something called joinmyquiz.com. Okay, so in this joinmyquiz.com, okay, so professors, you can join, you can log in using your Gmail ID itself. Okay, you can join using your Gmail ID itself. Okay. After that, for example, there are two modes available. One is normal mode, another one is faculty mode. There's something called another one called faculty mode. So now in the faculty mode, right now I'm going to conduct a quiz. Okay, right now I'm going to conduct a quiz. So how you can join? That's the question. How to join? Okay, I'm just telling you how to join. All the professors, please go to this website called joinmyquiz.com. Please go to this website called. Just go to the website. You can open it from mobile or laptop, whatever it is. Okay, you can open it from your mobile. Yeah. Just go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the game code. The game code is in my control, 877-6028. 6028. I am giving the game code to you. So you are going to enter the game code, followed by your name also you have to enter. You have to enter your name also. When you are entering the game code and when you are entering the name, you will be joining this quiz. Okay, you will be joining the quiz. So professors, I repeat, everybody please open the website joinmyquiz.com, and then it will ask you to enter the game code. The game code is 877-6028. Then you enter your name. Yeah, right now 2 professors have joined. Okay, Ramesh Babu, Meena Sundari, like the 2 professors have joined. Okay, yeah, the first link. Yeah, you can enter the game code. Yeah, even you can enter the game code. Enter the game code. The game code is 877 6028. So professor, there is one extra 8 in the beginning. Please remove it. 877. That's all. Yeah, correct. You can click on the join button. So professors, I think it's visible now. Now, for example, the name of the person is displayed automatically. You can click on the start button. When Murugesan is clicking on start button, okay, I will get the notification saying that Murugesan has joined the call. Okay, right now you can see here how many people are joined the call. Okay, so right now 9 people are there on the call. Yes, the count is increasing. As more people join, the count will automatically increase. So now I will click on the start button. Okay, so as a demonstration, we will learn it. Okay, so professor, shall we start the quiz? Yeah, if you want to join, you can join. Using your mobile also, you can join. Using your laptop also, you can join. So point is, professors, this is open and it is free to all. So using your Gmail ID, you can sign in and you can refer the existing quizzes. The quizzes are open to all, so you can use it for your classroom purpose. So right now I'm starting the quiz. Assume that 10 professors have joined. Now the quiz is started and you can see the immediate change. Yes or no? You can see the immediate change.
Sir, I had joined it, but my name is not displayed over there.
It will come, madam. It will come. Don't worry. Are you getting the questions right now?
Yes, sir. We must follow it. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somebody is asking the link. The link is joinmyquiz.com. Joinmyquiz.com. So professors, you can go to this website. Okay.
So how can we get the code, sir?
The code is visible. The code is available with the faculty, ma'am. I am the faculty.
Yeah. Suppose if I have to start this game for my students,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
can I get the code?
Ma'am, in Gmail, if you are logging into this tool, okay, if you are signing in, there will be a lot of quizzes. First, you have to search and locate one quiz. After that, you have to click on start the quiz. Like that, there is an option. Launch quiz. Like that, there is an option. When you click launch quiz, it will give you the game code. That game code alone you have to share with the people. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. So you have professors. You have various topics like Java, Python, C++, even software engineering, even mathematics. For all type of topics, you have quizzes already created. It is pre-created. So you can attend the quiz, Murugesan sir. You can choose your answer. Go ahead. You can choose your answer. Just click on the answer. Okay, whatever answer you seem appropriate, you can choose. So if he is clicking on the correct answer, okay, for example, it is showing the answer in green color. Okay, so it is like an interactive quiz. Now it will show the points also. Okay, second question is coming up for him. So when he is clicking on the, so you can choose. You can click. You can go ahead, Professor Murugesan. You can do it on your own speed. Yeah. So if it is a correct option, it will give green color response. Okay, that means we know that, okay, I have answered correctly. Next question is coming. So I am just randomly choosing some random answers. If I am choosing wrong answer, okay, maybe in this question you choose the wrong answer, sir. Murugesan sir, please choose the wrong answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can choose last one also. Disrespect the other team members like that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you can submit. You have to click on the submit button at the bottom. You have to click on the submit button at the bottom. Below the 4 choices, you have the submit button, madam. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Professors, now you could have seen if it is a wrong response, it is highlighting in red color. Okay. Okay. I request all the professors to mute the mic. Yeah. Yeah, it is very clear now. So professors, I think now how interactive it is. Okay. How interactive it is. I think those who are attending, you will understand the interactiveness in this quiz. Okay. I'll get back to you, Grover, Professor Grover. Please fight. So I am also attending the quiz parallelly. Okay, I am also attending the quiz parallelly. So if it is a wrong response, it will give you in red color. If it is a correct response, it will highlight in green color. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we will find some. Yeah, it is a interactive response. Okay. Thank you, Professor Meena Sundari, for your response. Yeah. So last question is coming up. Seventh question is, you can look at the top also. Seventh question is coming up. Okay. So it will show the score interactively. Okay. So students know what is the current position. Okay. What is the current position? So right now, if you see Murugesan is in 14th position, look at the top right corner. Okay. 14th position. What is the score he has obtained? Everything is visible to everything is visible. Okay. Some extra benefits are there. See here it is telling you have unlocked something like that. It's okay. You can click answers. So during the quiz, sometimes it will offer you. Suppose you have answered wrong questions, it will give something called second chance. Re-attempting the question is possible. So I think people are getting it very clearly. So now this is what I am referring. Redemption question. Redemption means some questions you have answered wrongly. It is giving a chance to attempt it again. It is giving another chance. You have to choose any one of this, but it will not give all questions. So 1 or 2 or 3. Like that, you have to choose any one of the question. Any one of the question you have to choose. Please click on that. Automatically, the one question will be displayed for you. Yeah. So now see, this is a question we already attempted. Okay. So now it is like a re-chance. Solve the problem properly. Now professor is getting a green color. That means he has obtained the correct answers now. So this will be counted, okay? Even though this is a second attempt, this will be counted. So now the quiz is coming to an end, and you can see here right now, this is the report. Right now, Grover has obtained the highest point, 8100, followed by Kaut, followed by Ramya, followed by Meena Sundari. Like that, you can see the ranking also. Professors, I want to give you one more important hint here, okay? Fastest finger has more score, okay? What is the point? Fastest finger with correct answer has more score. Fastest finger, this is like Kaun Guna Hai Crorepati program. Fastest finger with correct answer has more score. This is the key point you have to note, okay? So some students will get more score if they are answering very quickly. Has more score. So professors, I think it's very clear now. So this is the key point we have to note. Fastest finger with correct answer has more score, okay? So hope you enjoyed this particular tool. The advantage of this tool is it is free right now. Everybody can log into the tool using your Gmail ID, and you can search for n number of quizzes. You can search for n number of quizzes, Java, Python, software engineering, mathematics, everything. For almost every topic, there are so many quizzes available. You can select them.
Sir, would like to ask you one thing, that as you have said that we can make use of this quiz for any kind of subject or topic.
Yes.
So, do we have a kind of a facility where we can prepare our own quiz based upon our syllabus by using this platform?
Yes, it is
Do
possible.
we have this? Because I haven't, yes, because this is very new to me. I have seen it for the first time.
Okay, ma'am.
And I think it is very useful and interesting for the student.
Yeah.
So, like, that's why I'm asking. So we can prepare.
Sure. Yeah, I will tell you. You can there is something called instructor mode, madam. Please note that there's something called instructor mode. Okay. You click on the instructor mode. Okay, so you have a lot more facilities. Okay, just if you log into the tool, you are normal login. But on the right hand side corner, you will have something called instructor mode. If you click on that, you have additional facilities. So, for example, you can create a new quiz also. So when you create a new quiz, question by question, you have to add, madam. Question 1, you have to add what is the text, followed by what is the choice. Everything we can control. Choice 1, choice 2. What is the correct answer? Correct answer we will indicate during creation. So then you can add second question. Like that, we can add n number of questions. Then we can publish it to the students community. That is possible.
Okay, and yes, we have to create our account first of all.
Okay. Right now, I'll tell you that. Okay, Professor Murugesan, can you go to the joinmyquiz.com directly? Yeah, in the Google Chrome. Okay, yeah, just click on say joinmyquiz.com. So, Professor, there is something called login button. Look at the right hand side corner. Professors, all of you, yeah, please click on the login button. You have to use your Gmail ID, or you can click with your Gmail ID, sir. Login with Gmail. Choose the first option. Click on the first option. Yeah. So right now, you just click on the login with Google. That button, the blue color button, please click on that, sir. Sir, please click on that. Murugesan, sir, yeah, click on that. It will automatically show the Gmail ID. If you have already logged in, it will automatically show you. Click on the ID which you want to use. Yes, go ahead. So it may ask your password. It may ask your password, and it may ask you to confirm in your smartphone. That is normal facility. Professors, I think you are getting it now. Yeah, thank you very much. So all the professors, please look at the right hand side corner. This is what I told you, something called instructor dashboard. Okay, click on that right hand side top corner. Instructor dashboard. Yeah. So look at the right hand side top. Yeah, please click on that. Yeah, when you click, a new window is coming up. So now you are a faculty, so you have a lot more facilities. Yeah. Professors, you can create a new quiz. So left hand side, there's a button. Yes or no? There's a button called create. So by clicking on that, you can create a new quiz. Lot of other facilities they have introduced in the recent version. So otherwise, now I want to search for a quiz. Professor, cancel this option. We will get back to this. Yeah. Now I want to use an existing quiz. I want to choose an existing quiz. Just search option is there on top left. Search option is there. Just you can search something called Java, professor. Just search for Java. Assume that I want to connect a quiz on Java. I click on that. Just type Java and then press enter. you will have plenty of Java questions are there. You can choose any one according to your need. Okay, you can see how many questions are there. What is the level? It is a school level or university level. Right now, this is university level. Right now, this is university level. You can see how many times it is played. Okay, 2,557. That means it is popular. So the more number of times the quiz is played, it is a popular quiz. That's all, Professor. Now you have to click only one button. Start live quiz. There's a button. Start live quiz. Yeah, when you click on the start live quiz, that's all.
Quizzes are created by you, sir, or
No. It is created by all people, ma'am. All over the world, many people are creating and keeping it open for all. It is like collaborative quiz platform. I have not created, madam. Really, I'm telling. I am using the quiz which are existing. So choose the classic option, sir. Please use the classic option. Professors, now are you all able to see? Continue. What is the mode in which I want to play? Go for a classic mode and continue. Now you can see here, this is the link and this is the game code. This is what I have shared you in the beginning. Are you convinced now? Okay. So now let us join the quiz. Professors, let us join the quiz. Even I am going to join the quiz right now. Okay. So shall we all join the quiz right now? What is the game code? It's visible to us. 43689 I'm joining the quiz. So you can see Manoj joined like that. You will see the name. See, can you all see that the count is increasing? Okay. Now professor has clicked start button. So we are getting the questions right now. I'm getting the questions. So professors, very quickly I'm going to answer. I may have wrong answers also because I want to answer very fast. See here, the score is coming up. Are you able to see that? Live score. As a professor, you can see the live score. Okay. So insertion order. Okay. Insertion order. Let us have linked hash map. Okay. I'm just selecting the question and answer. So see here, I'm getting more score because I'm giving correct answer, more score. Which one of the keyword is used to create a class in Java? Obviously class. Okay. So suppose I'm remaining silent. Okay. Suppose I'm not answering. Other people will move on to the top. Other people will move on to the top. Okay. So let me choose. I have a wrong answer, so I'll definitely my score will go down right now. So again, I'm having a correct answer. So score is increasing, as you can see here. So professor can monitor. Okay, what is the current strategy? Okay, what is the score obtained by each person? How many people are there? One more point is, after conducting the quiz, you want to know the score. Okay, for example, you can download the score report in an Excel sheet format. So professors, right now, for example, there is a competition between Ekta and Professor Santosh Bhatt. Okay. Okay. Just don't worry, ma'am. I'm just telling. Any domain, you have many domains: computer science, physics, chemistry. All type of questions are there, but you have to search and you have to choose the correct quiz. That's all. Okay. No problem. I'm just randomly answering some quizzes. Now you can see here, Prashanti has moved to the second position. Right now you can see here, Prashanti has moved to the second position. Okay. So let me make a wrong answer now. Okay. So my score will go down. So you can see here, Prashanti is moving up. Okay. The last question I'm going to have right now. So again, I'm choosing wrong answer. Okay. So I have obtained all questions. Okay. I have answered all 10 questions. So right now you can see the progress also you can see. Okay. So right now rank is also visible to the people. What is the rank? Okay. So you can see here. Okay. Archana is moving up now. Okay. Archana is moving up. So hope it is clear now, professors, how to conduct the quiz. So professor, right now you can end the quiz. Okay. You can go and end the quiz as a learning experience. See what happens when the professor is ending the quiz. Yeah. There is a right hand side corner. There is a button called end quiz. End, E-N-D. Click on the end button. Yes. So what happens is some of the professors may be stopped in the middle. Okay, no problem. Let us go ahead. When you click end, okay, see what happens after that. Okay, it will tell you the top 3 people. You can download the report like that. Yeah. So I think, professors, this is completely very clear to you. You can use it for your own subjects. In this quiz, various subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology, even MBBS related questions are there. Computer science, IT, lot of questions are there. Choose the correct question. Choose the correct question and launch the quiz. That's all. Okay, so now you can see how it is working. Okay, so rank 1, rank 2, everything. You can see what the score obtained. You can see here. So, professor, you can go and end the quiz, professor. Okay, so let us see what happens when you are ending it. When you click on the end button, it will ask, "Are you sure?" Yeah, the quiz is ended right now. You can see here it is displaying the top 3 people. Okay, so I think you are able to see that, professor. It'll show like this: top 3 people. Finally, okay. If you want to see the answers, also possible. Professors, just look at the top. There is something called review questions. If you click on the review questions, you will see what is the correct answer. For this question, what is the correct answer? Then click on the next button. The right hand side, there is a button. Navigation. Yeah, right answer. Yeah, true. So now second question, what is the correct answer? Like that, you can discuss the correct answers also. Once the quiz is over, you can discuss this is the correct answer. Like that, you can discuss. Okay. Is it useful, professors? Is it useful? You can give the quiz. You can see what are the top performers, and you can share them what is the correct answer, like that. And you can click on the X button, sir. At the top you have a X button. If you click, you will go back to the normal view. You'll go back to the normal view. Now there is a button called download results. Can you see that below the exit button? There is a button called download results. Yeah, when you click on the download results, it will download the results for the current quiz in Excel sheet format. Yes. So it is for your record purpose. Not only downloading, okay, it is always kept with you. In your login, this result is always there, okay. You can download it later. So hope this tool is useful to all the professors. You can see this. What is the question? What is the correct answer? Who scored better? Okay, see here. Now click on the second sheet, sir. In the Excel sheet, please open the second sheet. Can you see that? What is the percentage? What is the score? Everything is there. So hope you enjoy this and you appreciate the efforts behind this. So professors, is it clear now? Hope it is clear to us.
Yes, sir.
Hope it is useful. Definitely, you can use it for your own teaching purpose because it's very interactive. Okay, because students can take it from mobile also. Okay, like that. Okay. Yeah. Shall we? So professors, I think everybody is able to understand the importance of this tool. The main point is right now it is free. Right now it is free. So you can use this in your classroom activities. Okay.
Sir, I would like to say something over here. The last quiz based on Java.
Yeah.
That was like Java is not my subject actually. I truly don't have any kind of knowledge into this area, but whatever came to my mind and whatever knowledge I had, some knowledge about this. So based upon that only, I answered the question. So still fine, result is still good.
Okay, no need to worry, ma'am. I just want to introduce the tool, ma'am. That is why no need to worry about the score.
Okay.
Just, ma'am. This is just for introducing the tool. I am just conducting the quiz, ma'am, because now you will have a clear experience as a faculty
Yes,
how to.
yes.
That is the purpose.
So this Excel sheet, this is what you have prepared based upon the quiz, or it is automatically generated over there itself?
It is automatically generated, ma'am. Everything automatic. Yeah. The tool.
Okay.
So that's what, ma'am. Our job is to choose the quiz, launch the quiz. That's all. Yeah.
Okay. And then this result is generated directly, no? Over there.
Yeah. This is a demo, madam. People, don't worry about the score. This is just a demo. This is just a tool demo.
I'm not worrying about my performance. I am thinking it from that point of view, like how to make use of this for my own student.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
That is why I'm asking you that whether you have prepared or it is generated.
Okay. So, professor, can you show how this Excel sheet is downloaded? Can you close this Excel sheet and can you show which button, professor? Look at the current screen, madam. Okay, at the end of the quiz, you have a button called download results. Can you see that, professor, right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you click on this, you will get the report immediately like this. See here, it is downloading right now. Look at the top left, bottom left.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So professors, so this is just a tool introduction. Okay, so as I told you, I have taken Java technology as a quiz topic. You can choose, for example, mathematics, or you can choose biology, or you can choose physics, chemistry. But you have to search and you have to choose. So professor, just go to the tool. Please go to the tool, and can you search something called physics? Can you search physics, sir? Just click on the exit button. Click on the exit button. In the quiz, just click on the exit button. Now I am looking for some physics quiz. Is it fine now, professors? I'm just looking for a physics quiz. Just type physics. Subject, I'm just typing physics. So when I type physics, existing quizzes will be limited, will be listed. Okay, you have to go through that and you have to choose. Or you can give a specific name also. Can you see this? This is a very general quiz. Or you can type atomic physics. You can type atomic physics. You will get questions. If it is there, it will come to you. Yeah. Press enter. Press enter. Yeah. So can you all see that? Okay, there are a lot of quizzes coming up. Just come down, choose any one question, number of questions, how many times it is played. Grade, 8th grade means students of 8th grade can do it. 6 to 8 means students 6 to 8. Something so university grade. Look at the next question. Just university grade. University grade means questions will be challenging. So you have to decide it. Okay, as a faculty, see here right hand side you can see all the 20 questions right now. Just you can sir, you can use the drop down box. Okay, so there's a scroll bar available right hand side. Sir, right hand side. You can just scroll down. You can see all 22 questions right now. You can decide, okay, this is the quiz I'm going to launch. Like that, before launching, we have an option of seeing all the quizzes. See, question 1, 4 choices, question 2, 4 choices. Everything we can see, professor. Then you decide. Suppose this is not a suitable quiz, leave it. You have to go and search again. That is it. I think now it is very clear. You have to go and search again and choose the right quiz and then start the live quiz. I think now it is very clear to all of us. Professors, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So next,
but then, do we have to like purchase it or what?
It is free, ma'am. Right now, this tool is completely free. Okay. Right now, they are completely free, madam. Okay. All these options, whatever I'm telling, it is completely free. Maybe in later, they are making it as money. Okay. So there is something called upgrade to super option. You can see right now there's something called get super. Super means you have even more facilities. That is what paid version. But right now this version is actually free version. We are using and we can use it. So at least for the quiz, conducting, report generation, everything is free right now. So definitely it is useful for us. That is what I'm highlighting right now.
Yes, sir. It is useful. Yes.
Yeah. So, professors, I request you to go to the PPT presentation, Murugesan sir. Yeah. So, people, professors, I will just have a few words using the presentation. Yeah. So you can go for presentation mode, sir. Just click on the from beginning. You can click on the from beginning. Thank you. Yeah. Go to the next slide. Yeah. So, professors, yeah, interactive learning is very important. Okay. So in this pandemic situation, everybody is working from home. We are teaching using your online devices. So if you use collaborative learning, okay, it is going to help the students. Okay. So definitely, for example, there are some points. One is it is improving the students' learning process and eliminate students' feeling of isolation. Yes, true. Everybody is sitting in home. They are not going outside. Okay. So what happens is they feel isolated. Similarly, this online tools will help us to come out of that feeling. Let us go to the next slide. Okay. Let us go to the next slide. Second point is, so we have to include the students also. For example, if you are not including the students, okay, what happens? Sometimes they join the meeting and they go and watch the TV or they watch the mobile, some series, etc. Okay, so you have to include them. You have to provide them a proper environment. Okay. So in real meeting, what happens? Professors, one simple point I want to tell you. In real meetings, for example, before starting the actual meeting, we will also introduce ourselves. My name is Manoj. Your name is Ramesh. Like that. Okay. So that kind of ice breaking. What is your name? You are from which area? What is your interest? Like that, some initial 5 minutes, if you are allowing us to speak, it will help us. It will help us. So let me ask you, how many of you from, for example, physics background? Professors, how many of you from physics background? Or how many of you from biology background? Okay. Or how many of you from computer science background? you can type in chat window. If you have access to chat window, you can type it right now. So this is one small question. Now I am asking, for example, Arjun Ganesh, you are from which area? Are you from Chennai? I am asking, how many of you from Chennai? Or how many of you from Noida? So Arjun is telling, for example, he is from chemistry background. Okay. So for example, I will say I am from biology background. Right now I'm working on, for example, genetic engineering. Like that, I'm just putting. But you're getting it, genetic engineering. So you will know more about me. This is simple icebreaker. Okay. So professors, similarly, I want to know, for example, Pushpalata, you are from which? What is your area of interest? Professor S. Pushpalata, what is your area of interest?
Sir, English, sir.
Yeah. So Professor S. Pushpalata, yeah, English engineering.
It's typed.
Okay, I got it now. So this is what icebreaker. Okay, so sometimes enabling the camera. Okay, 5 minutes. Everybody, please enable the camera so that we'll have we'll see each other. For example, right now I'm enabling the camera. So this is going to go to the next level, is it not? Instead of simply speaking, if you see the person's video, okay, this is how he is looking
Sir,
like.
I can't
Okay,
see you, sir.
so it will help us. Is it? Maybe it is taking some time.
Yeah, sir. Now I can see this.
Yeah. Hello. I'm very glad to meet all the professors. Yeah. So now I would like to call upon, for example, Harshali Patel. Harshali Patel, you are from which region? Harshali Patel, you are from which region?
Sir, good afternoon, first of all. And I'm from Maharashtra, Shegaon city. This is into district Buldhana.
Okay, what is your area of interest, madam? What is your area of interest?
My area, like I teach management related subject like industrial management and quality control.
Okay,
Then
super.
Certain other theoretical subject like communication skills, personality development classes,
Okay.
and I'm also a foreign language in charge into my college and also assistant training and placement officer.
Ma'am, you
And
resume.
my subjects are for final year and third year.
Okay, really a lot of points you have told, ma'am. You have a very rich skill set. I really appreciate that. Foreign language, madam. Foreign language. What language you are? Maybe you will recommend for your students, madam. What language you will recommend for your
Foreign
students?
language, Japanese, Spanish, and then French. These three options are right now available into our college. And for my student, I would ask them to prepare for Japanese language, German language, as well as Spanish.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing these inputs. Yeah. So, professors, I think now this is what ice breaking I'm telling. 5 minutes, I'm just moving away from topic. I'm asking, what is your name? What is your area of interest? Okay. Now I remember more about you. For example, Pushpalata is from Tirupati. Harshali is from Maharashtra. She is having management subject knowledge. She is also in charge for foreign language studies in her college. Like that, I remember more. Yes or no? So this ice breaking will definitely help us to remember a lot because human beings remember more visual ideas than text. To be frank, our text numbers, it is very boring. Okay, that is why YouTube is popular. You will agree with me. Instead of teaching everything using blackboard or writing everything on board, if you use PPT, definitely people are liking it very much. If you use YouTube, definitely they like it very much. That is why they are in Instagram for more time than in our classroom hours. Okay, interactive. So now I want to go to the next slide in the PPT, sir. Thank you, sir. Just go to the next slide in the PPT. Yeah, this is like an ice-breaking activity. I just turn off the camera due to bandwidth issues. Professors, now in collaborative learning, okay, for example, we have to give a very clear goal. Okay, for example, we have to give a clear goal. So in this particular session, what we are going to learn, like that, we have to make it very clear. So please go to the next slide. I'm very sure you are all following. Okay, you're all experienced people. Go to the next slide. So you can tell the students, for example, sometimes if you say no need to take any notes, they will be happy. Yes or no? If you say no need to take any notes, they will be happy. So because we can share the notes, because plenty of notes are available in internet. You can say this website, you have all the notes. Okay, so listen to the class. Like that, you can also invite. Okay, you can just give some freedom. Today, 1 hour, no need to take any notes. Like that, we can. I hope you agree with me. Or you can say any one of you take the notes for the entire session, or I will share the notes because we have PPT. We will share the notes. So you share your knowledge. You discuss your doubts. Like that, you can go ahead. Next slide. So, professors, I am very sure that you are making use of multiple strategies. Okay. So, for example, look at the last point. Be explicit with your expectations. Should each student take note, or will there be a single note taker for the entire group? So, if you are saying no need to take notes, they will be really happy. Okay. So, professors, similarly in the modern tools, okay, there's something called breakout sessions available. Breakout sessions possible. What is breakout sessions? I'll tell you. So, professors, hope you are using, for example, WebEx for your communication. If you are using WebEx, breakout sessions possible. What is breakout sessions? For example, now all the professors I can group into 5 groups. All the physics professors join room 1. Okay, well, physics professors please join room 1. Chemistry professors join room 2. Okay, like that I can create multiple rooms. Computer science professors join room 3. Like this I can group. Now what is the point? Now instead of keeping all the people in the same room, now I am dividing them into proper rooms. Room 1, what? Only professors from physics background will be there. Room 2, all the chemistry professors will be there. Room 3, computer science people will be there. So what happens is, now I can go to the room 1, I can talk to the room 1 people regarding physics. Then I can come out, I can go to room 2, I can talk about chemistry with the chemistry students. Then I can come out, I can go to the third room, I can talk about computer science. So this is what I refer as breakout session. Professors, I think you're getting what I'm saying. This facility is available in Zoom also, I think it is available. Zoom also it is available. WebEx also it is available. This is Microsoft Teams also it is available. Microsoft Teams also it is available. So please use this facility. So I think you are getting what is the real meaning of breakout session, professors? Anyone can acknowledge your understanding?
Yes, sir. But actually, when I attended some program like this, we had such kind of thing. But I don't know how we can break into the rooms. Of course, if I have to do it with my students.
Yeah. So I'll tell you, ma'am. Okay, what is the tool you are using, madam? What is the tool you are using?
Zoom, sir. Zoom.
Zoom. Okay. So I'll try to demonstrate it. Otherwise, I'll provide you some hints. Okay. So just search, for example, how to break out in Zoom like that.
In Google.
Right now, I'm not having the tool, but it is possible. I have done in WebEx, ma'am. I'm very clearly saying, I'm very confident that I have done this in WebEx. So I'll tell you. So for example, I'll tell you one simple pointer. Professors, assume that it is an English class. Okay, it is an English class. In the English class, for example, 200 people are there. Okay. So now 200 people, it may be very difficult to handle. So what I'm going to do? So for example, fundamentals we are going to discuss in room 1. So those who want to discuss about English fundamentals, please come to the room 1. Advanced concepts, advanced English, please come to room 2. What is room 1, room 2? Room 1, room 2 are logical rooms which are created in the tool itself. In WebEx itself, I will create 2 rooms. Okay, room 1, room 2. So now what happens? Now 200 people, maybe 100 students, okay, maybe 70 students will join the room 1. Okay, room 1. So remaining 130 people will join what? Room 2. So now you can go to the room 1 and you can talk about only the fundamentals of English. So now later you can go to room 2 and you can talk about English, advanced English, so that those who want to learn the fundamentals, they are very clear. Those who want to learn the advanced topics, they are very clear. Like that. It is within our sessions within session. I think it is very clear. It is session breakout. This is what it is referred as breakout sessions. Breakout sessions. So I have done it in WebEx. So hope it is useful, professors. You can try that option in Zoom also. On trial basis, you can try that, and definitely you will have access to that. Shall we go to the next slide? Yeah. So professors, I think you are able to follow the discussion right now. Something called breakout session. So maybe we will see that later. So professors, shall we go to the next idea? Yeah. Yeah. So this is what I'm telling, sir. Engage specific technologies to facilitate collaborative learning activities. You can see here, Zoom breakout rooms, madam. In Zoom, it is called as breakout rooms. Please look at the current slide, you will get it. In Zoom, it is called as breakout rooms. breakout rooms. Okay. So go to the next slide, Professor. Go to the next slide. Okay, go to the next slide.
Okay, sir.
So next point I would like to tell you is, yeah, I'm going to introduce some more tools. Okay, right, like joinmyquiz.com. Okay, there are some other tools I want to introduce. So professors, most of you are aware of this tool. Okay, so WebEx can be used, or for meeting, online meeting, I'm telling. Zoom can be used, or Google Meet can be used, or Microsoft Teams can be used. There is one more tool called Yammer. Professors, are you aware of this tool? Yammer, Microsoft Yammer tool. Microsoft Yammer tool. So what is Yammer? I'll tell you in simple terms. Okay, it is like a technical Facebook. That's all. One simple term. It is like a technical Facebook. Like a technical Facebook within a college or within an organization. Within a college or organization. Is that clear now? Facebook, okay, everybody knows what is the meaning of Facebook, but I'm telling you, Yammer is like a technical Facebook. So only technical topics will be discussed, doubts will be clarified, etc., etc. This is another tool available from Microsoft, Yammer. Similarly, Zoho also, in Indian company Zoho also offers some tools. So I think, professors, I think most of you are using the first 4 tools: WebEx, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, like that. Yes. What is your favorite, professor? Please tell me, what is your favorite? What is your favorite? What is your favorite? Can you
Google
give me a
Meet,
hint?
sir.
Google Meet. Okay. Some people are telling Teams.
Sir,
Okay.
in this Microsoft Teams chat box is always not able to access, sir. Right now also I'm unable to access the chat box, sir. Coordinators also
Okay.
not solving the problem.
Okay. Okay. Sometimes what happens is you need some advanced rights, like for example, presenter permission, like that. Even I have faced the problem. If you're logging in as a guest, you may not have access to chat window. You
Yes,
need.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is the point. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, professors, I want to know majority of the people from which background. One simple question I am asking. You can type the answer. Computer science or physics or chemistry. Computer science or physics or chemistry or management. Just quickly, I am asking.
So for like WebEx, Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft tools, I had an experience. We always use some of like any one out of this in a regular teaching practice.
Yeah, very true. Yeah. So, professors, please refer the PPT. Yeah, I want to discuss a few more points on the PPT, and then I want to go to the tool demonstration. Okay. So let us go to the next slide. Let us go to the next slide. Yeah. So, professors, for engaging the students interactively, I told about 2 websites. One is joinmyquiz.com. There is one more website called kahoot.it. Professor, it is also similar tool, which is also freely available. You can experiment it on your own. What is the tool? Kahoot.it. So here also you have to use your Gmail login. Okay. Again, you can launch quizzes. All these facilities are possible. So, professor, can you open that kahoot.it? Can you type kahoot.it? Can you go to the Google Chrome and can you type yeah. So, so it is similar to joinmyquiz.com. Okay. So, professors, you can experiment it later. Okay. Now, I would like to talk to you about 2 more tools. I want to talk to you about 2 more tools. One is Slack app. There is something called Slack app available. Slack. This is useful for managing teams. It is useful for managing the teams. Professors, have you all used this app? It's an Android app. Slack. Have you all used it? Yeah. It is actually, there are 2 versions. One is free version, another one is premium version. Free version, you can try it out. Okay, so this is like a WhatsApp. I'll say it in simple terms. Slack is like WhatsApp for office. Okay, WhatsApp group. Everybody know WhatsApp. We are all using it. Okay, but for office communication, okay, we can use Slack app also. So have you all used it? Okay, professors, anyone has used this tool? Anyone has used this app called the Slack app? No problem, you can download it, okay. And you can use it for communication. Telegram you have used, yeah, very true. Yeah, very true. Yeah, WhatsApp is there, Telegram is there, yeah. No problem. So please go to the next slide, sir. Okay, that is the last slide. After that, I'll go for presentation. Yeah, professors, it's obvious. Okay, for managing groups. Okay, you can use any of these tools. Okay, right now there are many tools popular. Alternates also available. Is it not? So, professors, I want to ask you, what is your favorite in this? WhatsApp, Telegram, Q, and then Signal. What is your favorite?
WhatsApp, sir.
WhatsApp. Okay. So even Telegram is getting popularity right now. Yes or no? Even Telegram is getting popularity.
But we are very comfortable with WhatsApp.
True. Yeah, because we are everyone is using. Everyone is using.
Yes.
So there is an app called Q. It is in India-based app. Okay, it is developed by Indians. Okay. Similarly, there's an app called Signal app that is also getting popularity. I think some security, when discussions comes about security and all. Okay, the Signal app came into picture. Okay. So professors, right now I'm going to launch one quiz. Can you all join the quiz and let us quickly complete the quiz? So everybody please go to the joinmyquiz.com. Everybody go to the joinmyquiz.com. The game code is, yeah, 1 minute. So professors, the game code is 028. The game code is 028 8955. 028 8955. This is the game code. This is the game code. Yeah, it is a quiz on COVID protocols. It is a quiz on COVID protocols. So everybody can attend it, okay? Yeah, right now 6 or 7 professors. I'm just waiting for 1 minute. After that, I'll start the quiz. Yeah. So professors, you can join the quiz. So professors, if you want to join the quiz, you have to go to joinmyquiz.com. You have to go to joinmyquiz.com. Joinmyquiz.com and enter the game code 0288955. 0288955. You have to enter it, okay? Then you will be able to join. I'm waiting for 1 minute. After that, I'll start the quiz. Yeah, I'm muting myself right now. So professors, I think the quiz is progressing right now. Okay. Yeah. You can resume attempt, sir. You can click on resume attempt and you can continue. Yeah, reattempt, no issues. Go ahead. So professors, after this activity, okay, I'm having an physical activity. Okay, so first let us finish the quiz. I'm just muting myself for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. In the meantime, you please complete the quiz. Okay. So professors, I think most of you have completed the quiz. Right now, Vandita Grover, Pushpalata, Prashanti are top 3, followed by Devi, followed by KN, followed by Saran, and then Prabha Devi, followed by Dr. Sailesh Pandey, followed by Murugesan Yam. Yeah, it's going like this. Yeah, Professor, shall we go to the next topic? Shall we go to the next topic? Yeah, just a minute, 1 minute, now please wait. There are so many tools available. Okay, yeah. So next, I want professors to share me one thing. Can you tell any other tools you are using apart from these tools? Are you using any tools apart from this? Are you using other tools apart from this? Yeah, you can share it in chat window. Yeah. if you're using any other tools apart from these groups, these tools listed, okay, you can post it now. Google Groups, yeah. Okay. So professors, yeah, how many of you used Google Documents, Google Docs for collaborative learning? How many of you used Google Docs? Any idea? Yeah. Can you share your experience, Professor Vanita Grover? Can you speak about what is Google Docs? How to use Google Docs for collaborative learning? Yeah. Yeah. Pushpalata also can speak now, one by one. Yeah. Okay. Vandita Grover is speaking that they have used Google Classroom. Okay. Google Classroom. Okay, fine. Professor S. Pushpalata, can you speak about it? Yeah.
So first I have just made the quiz like a 20-25 questions based on my own domain. And then I have entered that in the Google Forms. When we go for the Google Form, there you'll get the quiz. Then we can enter the questions and we can give the rating also for that. And that is how I did it. I'm not exactly sure how to explain, but I can do it. That's it. Hello. So can you hear me?
Your point. Yeah, yeah. You're audible, very clear. Yeah, I'm listening to you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, professors, now I would like to speak about the role of Android apps in collaborative learning. Professors, can you, with respect to each subject, let us have a quick listing. Okay. So, for example, let us start with computer science. Okay. In computer science, for example, can you recommend which Android app for learning, professors? First of all, let us talk about computer science and CSE domain, CSE or IT. Yeah. Okay. So, professors, can you post in chat window like what apps can be used for improving their understanding? There are a lot of apps. Yeah. True. So, professors, I want to recommend some of the apps. Okay, please note on them. Okay, I'll tell them. One app I would like to tell you is something called Programming Hub. Okay, something called Programming Hub. Okay. Programming Hub. Okay, so this is not in the PPT, sir. It is not in the PPT. Maybe you can type it right now in the next slide. Okay, you can type it. One is something called Programming Hub. Okay. If you go to this app, okay, there's one more app called Solo Learn app. Solo Learn. Okay, Solo Learn app. So these apps you can download. It is providing interactive content. Okay, it is providing interactive content for programming. It is providing interactive content for programming. Similarly, I want to ask you, for physics, which app you will recommend? For example, professors from physics background, okay, which app you will recommend? Please share with me. Which app you will recommend? Yeah, Vanita Grover, right? Hacker Earth, Code Chef. Yes, very true. Thank you. So, Professor Murugesan, sir, you can create a new slide and you can, otherwise, please open a notepad, sir. Please open a notepad and type this, okay? Please open a notepad and you can type it. So, professors, physics, what kind of apps you will recommend for me if I want to learn it interactively? Or chemistry professors or management people, what Android apps you will recommend to me? For computer science, you can type 4, sir. Okay, one is Programming Hub. You can type one is for computer science. You can type Programming Hub. Yeah, computer science, IT, everything you can type. There's an app called Pushpalata is coming out with for English. Yeah, for English, BBC Learning. Okay, yeah, true. Yeah, this is for English department. Okay, BBC Learning is coming into picture. Okay. BBC Learning. Okay. BBC Learning. BBC means British Broadcasting Corporation. You can type BBC Learning. Okay, yeah. BBC Learning. Yeah. Yeah, BBC Learning is there. Yeah. So, professors, for example, if you want to learn some foreign language,
So Duolingo, sir.
Yeah, Duolingo.
For foreign
Yeah,
languages, Duolingo is there.
Okay. For foreign languages, Duolingo app. Okay.
Yeah, sir. DUO LING.
DUOLINGO. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, professors, how many of you use, for example, this Google Translate facility? How many of you use this Google Translate facility?
I use it, sir.
Yeah.
For foreign languages.
Foreign language. Yeah. Duolingo, sir. DUOLINGO.
Yes.
Yeah, LINGO. Yeah. Yeah. So, professors, I want to ask you.
What are the English apps, sir? Can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah. For English.
Conversation app is there, sir. And
English conversation.
apps.
English conversation app. Conversation.
And then English speaking app is there.
English speaking.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So definitely you will have multiple apps. Maybe thank you for sharing this knowledge. Professors, this is like a collaborative learning again. Okay. So I'm just learning from you all. Okay. For example, someone from English domain is providing all these apps. So Professor Murugesan for computer science and engineering, please type what I say. Okay, one by one. First one is programming hub, sir. Okay, for computer science and engineering. First one is programming hub. Programming hub. Third one is, second one is solo learn. SOLO learn. Solo learn. SOLOLEARN. Solo learn. Third one is Hacker Earth. HACKER. Hacker Earth. Yeah, Hacker Earth. Fourth one is Code Chef. Okay. So, professors, suppose I want to tell you one important website now. If you want to test your English knowledge and you want to improve it, there is a website called steptest.in available from the Hindu English group. Okay, the newspaper. Everybody knows this Hindu newspaper. So this group, they have come out with this website called steptest.in. Okay, Hindu newspaper. Yeah, Hindu newspaper newspaper group. Okay, they have come out with this website. Okay, professors, I think some of you are using this website, especially if you are from English background, you may be using it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here you have a lot of practice tests. You have practice test. So you can take up them. Practice test is available. The website name is available in chat window. Steptest.in. Steptest.in. Okay. Practice test is available. The website name is steptest.in. Steptest.in. Yeah. HTTP. Yeah, that's also correct. So professors, I also want to share with you. Okay. Lot of research groups are available. Okay. Lot of research groups are available. Okay, so you can how to contact any research group. Okay, professors. In Google itself, we have a lot of tools. Okay, I'll tell you 2 or 3 websites. Okay, one is Google Groups. Yeah, first obvious answer is Google Groups. You can join the Google group. Okay, similarly, Facebook groups. Nowadays, it is popular. Facebook groups also available for multiple. Facebook groups are available. Okay. Apart from this, from computer science background, okay, I want to tell you one website. Okay. There are a lot of websites available. Okay. Yeah. You can search something called Google I/O. Search something called Google I/O. Okay. Yeah. So professors, you can share with me, okay? You can share with me what are the other ways you can communicate with research groups. Can you share with me? Yeah. So Google Groups, please search something called Google Groups. Search something called Google Groups. Yeah. You have a lot of groups. Okay, you have a lot of groups. You can go there and you can join. So professors, with respect to computer science, I want to tell you one more website. Okay, there's something called github.com. Github.com. What is this website? So professors, I'll tell you. In this website, okay, so people share their code. Okay, so people, if you are from computer science background, you are looking for some documents, you can definitely refer this website, github.com. I hope most of you refer this. What is github.com? Professors, can you tell me what is github.com?
So it's a coding hub, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Please, you're audible. Go ahead, madam. You're audible.
We can find a code, sir. We can find a code. Whatever the
project,
that we can refer in GitHub, sir. You can download it and you can use it, sir.
Yeah, very true. Very true. Yeah.
It's a basically repository. We can say that to store our data and to share it.
Yeah, professors, can you open this website, sir? In your own machine, can you open it github.com? Just open it in Google Chrome. So it's a repository. Professor, the advantage is what happens is a lot of latest research coding. Okay, many people are sharing the research work, everything in GitHub. Okay, so if you want, you can go to the website, you can log in, and you can search under your topic, and you can you have to search particular topic, and then you will be able to locate a lot of repository. So online repository, it is like an online repository. Okay. So for example, I'll tell you, sir, you can write Java programs Git repository. Like that, just search, sir. Java programs Git repository. Java programs or Python programs. I'm just telling, for example, it's an online repository. Java programs online GitHub repository. Just search like that. Java programs. Yeah. Very true. Yeah. Very true. Thank you very much, Grover. I'm coming to that website now. So if you see this, come down. Come to the second link, sir. github.com is there. Can you see this? Yeah. Right click and open. Right click and open. So there will be lot of you can choose any one. Okay. You can click on any one, sir. You can click on any one. Yeah. Zoom you have to do it. Thank you very much. Yeah. So many people have posted the code. Okay. For example, click on the calculator code, sir. Look at the first one. You can click on the calculator. Yeah. So what happens? It's a calculator app. It's freely available. Complete code is available for you. Click on the SRC folder. Yes. You go to the SRC folder. The complete Java code is given to you. Okay. Calculator.java. Click on that. Okay. You will be able to see the complete coding. So this is really useful for professors teaching in computer science or IT domain. Okay. So you have complete coding. You can download the coding. Okay. You can download the coding. But if you're modifying the code, you have to say that this code is obtained from this particular GitHub repository. Like that, you have to specify that. Like that, you have to specify that. That is the only point. Okay. So similarly, professors, can you search in GitHub? Okay, just to search for for example, English. For example, English exams related material. English exams related material. In github.com. English exams material in github.com. Material in github.com. So you will have plenty of materials. Sometimes very useful materials are also available. Sometimes useful materials are available. You can see here. You can see. You can just come down and you can sir, look at this. Look at the fourth one. TOEFL IELTS. Okay, yes or no? Manjunath 5496. Yeah, that website. Right click and open. So regarding your English examination, TOEFL, IELTS, all these materials are available. Okay, PDF files available. Click on the file. You can open them, and you can open them. So professors from English background, okay, especially Pushpalata madam, hope you like it. This particular link, okay. You can download it and you can use it for your learning purpose, etc., etc. Yes. So professors, now I also want you to open one more website called kaggle.com. Okay, kaggle.com. Please go to the next website. Open the website called Kaggle, Kaggle, Kaggle.com. Kaggle.com. Kaggle.com, Kaggle.com. Yeah. So what is this Kaggle.com? This is like a data analytics related repository. Data analytics. It is like data analytics related repository. So professors, I'll tell you one more website, data analytics related repository. Whenever you want to work with data in data analytics, definitely what you need? First of all, you need data. Is it not? You need data, and you need some sample code. Okay. What is the old research already done? Okay. So data and all you can download from this by logging into this website by using Gmail, sir. Just click on sign in, sir. Click on sign in. So professors, yeah, you can use sign using Google. Yeah, anyone Gmail ID. Yeah, you can the name. You can click next button. So click on the next button. So what happens is in this website you also have previous code. Okay, sample code will be there. Sample code will be there. So for example, some people whatever they have done already, they will publish it in this website. Yeah. Yeah, you can click agree. So if you go to this website, okay, especially for computer science, IT, okay, this is very, so you can search, for example, one simple point, sir, okay. COVID research, you can search in the top, COVID research. Just type, sir, just type COVID-19. So if you click on this COVID-19, for example, you are immediately getting a lot of research, isn't it? COVID-19 Open Research Dataset Challenge. Uncover COVID. So like this, you can choose the first one, sir. Please click on the first one. So when you click on the first one, it will open this particular challenge. Some data sets will be available. You can download them freely. If you want, you can contribute also. You can contribute. You can see this. See here. Data is available. Come down, sir. Come down. Data size, you can look at the size. It is 47 GB data. Okay, yes or no? So if you want to start COVID research, you don't have to start everything from the scratch. Already some people have done. Okay, and they have done some code is already available. Okay, professors, there are various tabs available. Task, code. Okay, look at the top. There is something called code is available. If you click on the code, okay. Yeah. So yeah, sir, in the middle of the page, you have data, task, code, discussion, like this various tabs available. You can click on the code tab, the middle of the page. Yeah, code means you will see sample code, sir. You will see sample code. This is data. Okay, this is data. CSV files are there. What is CSV files? Professors, what is CSV files? Comma separated values. Okay, so you can click on that. You can download if you want. Okay, professors, you can click on that. Yeah. So like this is again a collaborative platform for researchers. Okay, many researchers are sharing their code, sharing the results in this particular website. Okay, so you can develop it. Okay, you can develop it. So professors, I think you're able to follow this website. What is the website name? Can you all confirm with me what is the website name? Yeah. Can you all confirm with me what is the website I'm referring right now?
Kaggle.com.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. So how many of you used this website earlier? How many of you used this earlier? Thank you, madam. Kaggle.com. Yeah. Okay. Now, professors, I want to ask you one small question. Dataworld.io. Yeah, that is very true. There are many other websites available. So, professors, I want to know how many of you doing research right now? How many of you doing research? Professors, I want to know how many of you doing research right now? Okay. Most of you could have completed, or you can share your area of interest. Professors, you can share your area of interest in the chat window. You can share your area of interest or what is the current research you're doing. You can share it with us. Yeah, you can post it in chat window. Professors, you can post it in chat window. One by one, I am looking at the answers. Yeah. So what is your area of interest, or what is the area in which you are currently doing research? Okay, you can post with us. Okay, professors, in the meantime, I want to give you one more point. Okay, so you have app version also for joinmyquiz.com, Kaggle, for everything. You have apps also available, Android apps available. Okay, Android apps available. Please, you can make use of them. You can download them. Okay, you can download them and you can use it for your learning purpose. Apps available. Okay. So, professors, can you click on the new messages, Professor? Professor Murugesan, can you click on new messages? Okay. So, professors, I want to know how many of you are doing research in image processing category? How many of you do processing, image processing category? Image processing or video processing? Anyone is doing in image processing or video processing, you can post it right now on chat window. You can say yes. Security. Ekta is telling, okay, you can speak now. Madam, you can speak if you want. Ekta, if you want, you can speak now. Okay. So, what is the platform you're using for your research, madam? What is the platform you're using? What language or what tools you're using for your research? Deep learning. Thank you, madam. Yeah, deep learning.
I'm
Yeah.
into deep learning basically now, and I'm using Python for it. Basically into TensorFlow models.
Okay.
Yeah, using Jupyter notebook for it. Yeah.
Okay. Can you post what is the software you're using in chat window, madam? Yeah, let us look into this. Yeah. So, professors, Google Colab. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. So, professor, there is something called Google Colab is available. Okay, Google Colab is like an online tool. Okay, where you can do online programming. Okay, so this is also one useful tool. You can mention it, sir. Google Colab. Google Colab. Colab means collaboratory. So, Google Colab. So, professor, I'm going to give you one small activity now. Okay, professors, please take your pen and paper. Okay, all of you take pen and paper, pen, pencil or paper. Just 5 minutes. I'm giving a small activity. Okay, are you all ready for that? It's a small interactive activity. Are you all ready for that? Okay, so now this is the task I'm going to give it to you. Okay, but you have to decide more. I'm not going to give any instructions. Okay, so I want one component. Okay, but the main thing is components. So, professors, you have to take one component and you have to draw the component. And when I put all the components together, I should get one usable vehicle. Okay, are you getting the clarity on the question? So, for example, Ekta will take one component. For example, component 1, she will draw. Selvi, she will draw another component, component 2. Manoj, he will draw component 3. Murugesan, okay, will draw component 4. Okay, now I'll just give 5 minutes time. Okay, I'm getting 5 minutes time. After 5 minutes, when I ask you to share the screen, okay, you are going to show what you have drawn. Okay, when I put all the components in some order, I should get a bicycle. This is the expectation. I need a bicycle. So now, professors, among yourself, you have to choose what component you are going to draw. Type the component name in the chat box and draw the component. Okay, I need finally, what is the final product I want? Tell me, all of you. Final product is bicycle.
Bicycle.
But each person is going to draw only one component. Okay, each person is going to draw only one component. Okay, so one professor will draw one component. Okay, one professor will draw one component. Okay, that's all. You have to decide. Okay, that's all. Collaborative writing, you are going to decide now. You have to tell what you are going to draw. One more point is components cannot be repeated. Okay, components cannot be repeated. Components cannot be repeated. This is the extra condition. Okay, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. Already Ekta is drawing handle. Okay, yeah, maybe you have to change it. Professors, please. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, handle bar. Okay. So I'm going to mute myself for 2-3 minutes. Draw in your A4 sheet, okay. In the A4 sheet, you please draw that. Okay, then finally we are going to put all these components, and I'm expecting a bicycle finally. I'm expecting a bicycle. So right now, let me know what are all the components each person is drawing, okay. Okay, for example, Vandita Grover is drawing tire, okay. Vandita Grover is drawing a tire. Okay. Then Ekta is drawing handle. Professor Ekta drawing a handle. Okay. Yeah, HOD ma'am, yeah, horn. Yes, HOD, horn. Okay. So professors, I want to ask you, only these three components sufficient? I want other participants to respond to me. Only these three components sufficient? Tire, handle, horn. Only these three sufficient? So I want more response, people. Just okay, professors. Otherwise, you can speak now. You can speak now, or you can type it now in chat window. Thank you very much. Tayari, you are giving a very important component, chain component. Okay. Chain component is taken by another person. Okay. Okay. Keshav Murthy is taking pedal. So only one component for you, sir. Keshav Murthy, sir. Only one component. Okay. You have to take what component? Chain is already taken by Payari, Do Payari. DPS Gaya. Okay. So let us maybe you have to tell what next another person. Shraddha has taken the seat. Shraddha has taken the seat. Okay. Shraddha has taken the seat. Okay, maybe I can allocate pedal for Keshav Murthy. Keshav Murthy, please, I'm allocating. Okay, I'm allocating pedal for you. I'm just allocating pedal for you. Only these components sufficient. So Keshav Murthy. Only these components sufficient. Okay, professors, other persons have to involve yourself. Pedal. So right now I have 5 professors. Okay, super. Shailesh, you are giving it okay, wheel. Shailesh is giving one component called wheel. Thank you very much, Shailesh. Giving a wheel to me. Okay. So right now I'll tell you the components. Vandita Grover tire, Ekta handle, CSHOD horn, Dayari chain, Shraddha giving me a seat, Keshav Murthy giving me a pedal. Time starts now, 2 minutes time maximum, you have to complete it. Shailesh is giving a wheel. But only these components sufficient, people, I'm asking you. If any component is missing, you have to post it. If any component is missing, you have to post it right now. Because I want a bicycle. Tire, handle, horn, chain, seat, pedal, wheel. Okay. Any other component missing, you are going to draw it. You are going to first of all volunteer. So Pushpalata and other professors, if somebody is there, you can go ahead. Grover, only one component per professor. Okay. Grover, you have already taken maybe tire. Okay, I'm agreeing now. Go ahead. Grover, you can go ahead with tire, bell. Tire, bell. Okay. Bell is missing. Yes, bell is missing. Maybe I'm allocating to you, madam. Okay. Yeah. So now, people, have you all completed drawing? Done the drawing? Simple sketch. Have you all done the drawing? So please show it on the camera. Okay, we'll see that in the camera. Enable the camera. So have you all drawn it? Okay, please show it on the screen right now. Or you need some time, professors. You need some time. Okay, thank you. One professor is showing. Okay, yeah, handlebar is there. Okay, I think it's correct. Ekta, thank you. Another person. Another person can share it right now. Okay. So let me call upon the name of the people. Ekta has done it. Okay. Grover tire, can you show? Yeah. Payari, you can show. Payari, DPS Gaya, you can show the chain. If you want, you can show the chain. Or if it is done means you can say done. You can say done. Done means done. Yeah. Grover, I think your screen is coming up. Yeah, thank you. You have drawn two components she has drawn. Okay, one is okay. Yeah, you can tell what you have drawn.
One is disk, and so disk is there, which holds the wheel, and another one is the chain.
Tire and bell. Okay, thank you. Another person can show. Thank you, madam. I'm coming back to you. So, professors, individual components you have drawn. Now, professors, another person can share. Ekta, you can show now. Ekta has shown now. Seat, somebody can show. Pedal, somebody can show. Stylish, anybody ready means you can show right now. You show it right now. So, professors, yeah, I have seen some components like tire. I have seen bell. I have seen handle. I have seen. Remaining components I need to see. Remaining components I need to see.
I have drawn a pedal, sir. I hope you can see it.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Professor. Thank you for the response. Please, yeah. It's visible. Keshavamurthy, thank you very much. Okay. Pedal. Yeah, true. So now, professors, I want to ask you a simple question. Okay, so whether 7 components are sufficient? Okay, I'm telling you, these are all the components I have right now with me. Whether these components are sufficient, please tell me what is missing. I'm just posting it on chat window. Please refer it. I have posted the components. Tire, bell, handle, horn, chain, seat, pedal, wheel. Okay. Only this is sufficient for a bicycle. Professors, please tell me. Only these components sufficient for a...
No, sir.
Okay. So now tell me what is missing, madam. What is missing? Payari, can you speak? What is missing? What is missing?
So brake should be there. Some pins should be there, and even small components like screw should be there.
Yeah, brake is missing.
Seat.
Professors. Yeah, yes. Seat another person. Seat another person. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. So what I want to tell you is, okay, can we put all these components and can we create a cycle? That's a question. Can we put all these components? Now brake and small components are missing. You can speak now. Okay. Yeah. Somebody has raised their hand. You can speak now. Professor, you can speak now.
So even pedal is missing.
Yeah.
Frame is missing.
Yeah. Frame is missing.
Handlebar is missing.
Frame is missing. Frame is missing. Okay. So now we know what is missing. Okay, so what is the point is other professors has to contribute. The point is, listen, other professors have to volunteer that I will create a frame, I will create a brake, I will create a small components like that. You have to volunteer. Okay. Now, one person has to take the responsibility of leading. One person has to lead. Okay, and one person has to lead. Who wants to act as a lead? Who wants to take as a Maybe any one of you can volunteer. Any one of you can volunteer. I want to work as a lead. Maybe Gaya, DPS Gaya. Can I assume? Can I ask? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So now I don't know bicycling.
That is fine.
I know the components.
That is fine. Okay, so now, Professor, out of this activity, I want to know what is the learning. Okay, so this is a bicycle activity. So what is the learning you got right now? Professors, you have to comment on this. You have to speak now. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, Vandita Grover, thank you very much. Everyone contributed. Okay, task was completed fast. Yeah, thank you very much.
So there was collaboration.
Collaboration. Yeah, true. Go ahead and speak, mom. Speak. So now tell me what is the role of lead in this particular activity? I am telling one person has to act as a lead. Why we need a leader? Tell me. Because the leader has to identify what component is missing. He has to allocate the components to other professors. He has to, yes or no, you have to share your components. You have to share your views. Yeah. We have to assign the task. Yes, very true. And one important point I want to ask you. For example, when 2 people said, I want to create the same component, what I have done? For example, 2 people said, I want to create a handlebar, what I have done? I have already told that Yeah, I have already told that. Yeah, it is already taken. It is already taken by some other person. Yeah, yeah, very
So
true.
delegation of duties.
Yeah, delegation of duties. So, okay, professors, I'm telling you one more secret now. This kind of activity, even if somebody is sleeping in the meeting, we can ask them to engage. I think you're agreeing what I'm telling. Okay, so by giving some kind of activity like this, even if somebody is not involved in the meeting, we can ask them to. We can indirectly involve them. Yes or no? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? So some people
Yes,
are not
sir.
responding. Okay, so some small activities like this we can plan. Okay, in between. Okay, so we can also ask. We can even plan this activity better. We can even plan this activity better now. So hope this activity was useful to you. Okay, even though it's a simple activity, hope it is very clear now. Now everybody knows what are all the components. I'm just giving 3 minutes time. Okay, 3 minutes maximum. You have to draw one bicycle in everybody has to draw a bicycle. Okay, 3 minutes time. Draw a bicycle right now. Professors, all of you draw a bicycle. So I request all of you to participate in this activity. Just a 3 minutes activity. 3 minutes activity. Yeah. So I'm just muting myself for 2 minutes. So please all of you draw in your paper, pen, paper, whatever it is, you can draw. Draw one bicycle. 2 minutes time. Not more than that. Okay. I'm muting myself right now. Everybody has to draw and everybody has to share it after the 2 minutes. Time starts now. Yeah, anyone can share your screen if you want. If you're drawing it in online, you can share your screen and draw it. Okay, maybe Ekta or some other person, Grover, anybody can share your screen if you're drawing it in online. I'm muting myself right now. 1 minute. Yeah. So anyone can share the screen. If you want, you can share the screen. Okay, anyone can share the screen. Yeah. Somebody has raised the hand. You can go ahead and share your screen. Professor, you can go ahead and share your screen. Sailesh, I request you to mute. Professor Sailesh, please mute. Okay, there's a mic on. Okay. Ekta, if you want, you can share your screen. Professor Ekta, if you want, you can share your screen. Yeah, you can draw it right now. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Keshav Murthy has coming out. Okay, 1 minute, Professor. I'll come back to you. 1 minute. Okay, let us see what happens. Okay. Yeah, Keshav Murthy, I'm able to see your bicycle. Okay, sir. My question is two questions I have with you. I'll ask the questions after 2 minutes. Please wait. Thank you. If you want to improve the product, please improve the product, sir. Just please improve the product.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, professors, you have to see there's a website madam is using. Okay, what is the website? Can you all see the website name? That's a new website to us. What is the website? Can you all see that? Autodraw.com. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, autodraw.com. That's a new website. I'm just learning today. Yeah, that's wonderful. Go ahead. Yeah. Now other person's also sharing the screen. Yeah, Payari is sharing the screen. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. So, madam, you can improve the product by adding some security component. I'm just giving a small hint. Okay. Add some security component, madam. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for your response. Yeah. Anybody else?
Sir,
Yeah.
I've
Thank
added
you.
break as well as protectors as well as
Okay.
the chain sprocket.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay, sir.
I think brake pads are not visible.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. It has just improved right now. Okay. Improved right now.
Yes.
So normally in cycle backside we will have one seat. Now we'll have one seat now for sitting. For if two persons are riding means we'll have a seat. Okay, maybe you can add the seat, sir. Okay, Professor Keshavamurthy. Okay, Vandita, you are right. You have to use the log. Okay. Now tell me, professors, are you all ready now? Time up. Are you all ready now? Are you all ready now? Okay. One by one, let us learn from this. So what is the outcome of this activity? What you have learned from this activity? Now tell me what you have learned in this activity. Someone can summarize. So professors, yeah, I want someone to share the screen. Okay, like Payari, can you share your screen now? Payari, can you share your screen? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us listen, professors. Give work. Okay, let's just go for comments now. Madam, you have to show the photograph in a different direction, ma'am. Okay.
Different direction. Okay.
Now it is upside down, ma'am. Actually, yeah.
Is it fine now, sir?
It is
fine
upside.
now?
Yeah, one more. Now it is. Yeah. Ma'am, 90 degrees left, you have to again rotate, ma'am. 90 degrees left, madam. 90 degrees left. Super, ma'am. It's very clear now. Okay. So, professors, it's a good attempt. Okay. But can you all professors look into this and tell me what is missing? Can anybody tell what is missing? Okay. Before that, can you all appreciate it's really good. Okay. The tire and all, madam, it is looking like a real tire. To be frank, it is the circle you have drawn very well. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
The seat is entirely a new kind of seat, madam. You have designed a new kind of seat. Okay. Modern seat.
So I was about to give it a curve, but
okay.
I was in hurry, so I just made a rectangular.
Please take it in a simple manner, madam. Just don't take it in a wrong manner. Okay. Another point is, listen, madam also brought one new feature. Okay, in the handlebar, she is having banana because if you are feeling hungry while driving means okay. If you are hungry, you can automatically take the banana and eat it. Yeah, carrier is missing. Why carrier is missing now? Because this is a sports cycle. Okay, so there will be no carrier. Like that, you can. Okay, like that. Okay, appreciations, ma'am. Keshavamurthy, can you share your screen now? Yeah, Keshavamurthy. Okay, now I am looking at the positive side. I'm looking at the positive side. Okay, because negatives we can say more. Okay, but positive is important. Thank you very much. Can you show close? Yeah, it's very visible. Okay, but sir, but the point is handlebar. What's the modern type of handlebar, sir? Okay, it is looking in forward direction. Okay, maybe it is showing the direction. Okay, people appreciate it. It's really nice. Okay, only one point I'll tell you. The stand is missing, sir. Okay, yes or no? Stand is missing. That means you want to say the cycle will be running 24/7. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
appreciation, sir. Stand is missing. So, professors, just I am saying some comments. Okay, take it positive. Okay, because it is lunchtime. Yeah. However, you have drawn it very clearly. Like you have brakes and chains are all very clearly looking. Front and the crank, everything is. The seat is also well cushioned. Seat is there, sir. Thank you very much. Another person can share now. Okay. Any other person want to share now? Yeah. Now, professors, we have seen two diagrams. Okay. So to be frank, okay, both have attempted very well. They are good in drawing. I'm definitely telling they are good in drawing. Okay. Now somebody has drawn in website. Okay. Draw in one website. Somebody has drawn. Can you show that our final output now? Can you show the final output now? Yeah. Autodraw.com. Somebody has drawn it in autodraw.com. Autodraw.com. Yeah. So, professors, have you all, no problem, Andita, no problem. Have you all learned this new website, professor? There's a new website. So, if you want to draw something, okay, go for this, no problem. You have MS Teams, no problem. MS Paint is there. MS Paint is there. Similarly, I want to say one more website, draw.io. There's a website called draw.io. This is a very useful website for drawing diagrams. If you want to draw some diagrams, okay, for your presentations and all, okay, it is really useful. It is a AI-based tool. Madam is telling, okay, the website which she was referring, it is AI-based tool. Thank you very much. It is a new information to me also. Yeah. Okay, now people, so in this 1.5 hour time, okay, I want somebody to summarize what you have learned. Professors, one by one, somebody has to summarize because last 10 minutes, I am just coming into the picture. So please tell me what you have learned. Okay, what you have learned. Will you use them in your real life, day-to-day activities, training? That's my question. Will you use them? Will you use them?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, that's the first question. Okay, will you use them? Because
yes,
this
sir.
is not. Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah, quiz, notes, drawing tools, etc. Yeah. Someone can speak now. Okay. Harshali can speak now. What you have learned? Okay,
Yeah.
something new. You can go ahead.
Sir, we have learned about various tools like quiz, notes, drawing tools for making teaching learning more useful and effective. And also these tools are helpful while when we are taking a class so as to those who are sleeping or those who are not attentive, just to make them more attentive and grab their attention so that they can be with us for the entire lecture. So these tools like teamwork, like and many other tools which you have shown over there into this today's presentation, they are very helpful for teachers as well. They will help teachers to know whether the content delivered by them was understood by the student or not, so that they can bring about certain improvements into their teaching activities. As well as it is helpful for the student also to gauge their own knowledge, and for both the parties it is useful to know whether the, both are like student are specially attentive or not. So these tools are very useful. They are like effective in terms of time management, and then they provide a very useful database information regarding the student performance.
Yeah, well said, ma'am. Thank you very much for detailed feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let me call upon Payari DPS Gaya. You can go ahead and speak now. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So always in meeting, my principal sir always says that use flipped classroom methods. But today, for the first time, I have seen you like you were just giving instructions to us, and we have just blended our learning and which aim into the engagement of everyone who are there in this meeting. So I can say that this is a very it's a wonderful example of flipped classroom where teachers are just engaging everyone in the class. So
Yeah, that is very true. Professor, I will tell you one more secret now. Okay. Since I am unable to share my screen, I am always asking another person to share the screen and share. Are you getting it now? This is a challenge I am facing right now. But instead of revealing the challenge, I am managing it properly. Are you getting it now? Because I am unable to share my screen. Yeah.
Yes, so one more thing I would like to ask you, I would like to say over here is that these kind of tools that are very easy, okay, that are very easy to access and use, if only a proper information is given to the teachers, because many of the tools I came to know today itself.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Yes, we should have a good kind of awareness and how to use them.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
kind of direction should be provided at the college level.
Yeah.
And
True.
not only to the teacher, but to the student also. So that it becomes more easy for both the parties to make use of these kind of tools for the effective teaching learning process.
Yeah. So, professors, I want to share you one more challenge today I faced. Okay. For example, I was unable to share my screen. So everything I was making use of another person. Okay. To be frank, in my classrooms, I do like this. Okay. I will ask my student to share. Okay, I will dictate. Okay, do that, like that. So what happens now? Suddenly I'll change to another student. Okay, you share your screen, do that, like that. So what happens is they have to do it. Okay, they will definitely learn. At the end of the day, they will be really happy. Sir, I learned so much, like that. Okay, so this approach also you can easily apply. So professors, now I'm going to give one small activity. I will type one sentence. You have to speak, but one person can speak only one word. Word cannot be repeated. The sentence is: Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo 2020 Olympics. This is the sentence. Okay. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics. Okay. Now one person can act as a leader. You have to decide who is going to act as a leader. Okay. Maybe I call upon Harshali. You have to act as a leader. You have to make sure that this sentence is pronounced by all the faculties, but one person, only one word.
Only one word of this sentence.
Yeah. For example, I'll repeat the sentence. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics.
Okay. Neeraj
So,
Chopra.
so you decide. Okay, you have to allocate word to each professor. I'm just giving 1 minute time. You have to allocate the word to each professor right now. Yeah.
So just repeat the sentence. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Olympics Tokyo 2020.
That's all. Correct. Yeah.
And everybody, all the participants should speak one word of this sentence, no?
Yeah. Minimum 10 professors you have to allocate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words are there. So you need 9 professors.
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir. So I would like to repeat this sentence once again for all the participants. The sentence is: Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Olympic Tokyo 2020. Now, direction is that you have to speak only one word of this sentence, of the entire sentence. Okay. So we'll start with now. I would like to call upon Dr. Pandey, sir, to continue. Yes. Then Miss Meena is there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Javelin
you make
throw?
it fast? Yes.
Javelin throw?
But I think that word is not given in the sentence.
Okay, so professors, we are having a trial. Okay, you have to speak only this sentence. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo
Olympic.
Like only that sentence you have to speak. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
You have to say one word out from this sentence. Okay,
medal,
fine. Medal is one. Miss Ramya is there.
One.
Yes.
Should it be in the form of a sentence, or should we say one word there?
Only one word from this sentence.
I thought it'd be perfect if we say the entire sentence in the order.
Yeah, that is better.
So would be.
Yeah.
So then I'll start with Neeraj.
Yeah. People, the trial is over. Okay, the final attempt is coming in now. Okay, I'm going to call the professors right now. You are going to speak only one word. Okay, but you have to say in the order. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics. This is the sentence. Okay. So now I am going to call upon first of all Harshali. Yeah.
Neeraj.
Ramya.
Chopra.
Payari.
One.
Okay. Keshav Murthy. Or I am going to call upon Harshali. Yeah.
Gold.
Ramya.
Medal.
Next person, Payari. Yeah.
In.
Yeah, Harshali, go ahead. Yeah.
Olympic.
Ramya.
Tokyo.
Okay. So that's the end of the presentation, professors. I think now you have learned.
2021, sir.
Yeah,
2021 is.
Yeah, that is a try book.
Structure should be like this, sir. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics 2021.
Yeah, that's a correct sentence. That's a correct sentence. Yeah. So, professors, thank you for participation. Okay. So, if more people are not participating, probably they have some other like lunch break like that. Okay. So, however, it is a good activity. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, presenters. I came to the end of the presentation right now. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Manoj, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead, ma'am. Speak now. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, sir, on the behalf of MKCE, Department of CSE, I extend my hearty thankful for our speaker Manoj, sir, for a valuable session on this topic of interactive strategies for collaborative learning. Thank you so much, sir.